Hey, here we have Aerospeed BX100. Got this a couple days ago. It came out of the trash. Had a cut cord, so I put a new one on it. It's 3 speeds. Lighting in here ain't the best, but it works, I guess. Here's the back. Don't like how they never cut out all these holes on these cheap fans, but whatever. It's an Aerospeed. Anyway, I'll start it off on high. Moves decent air, I guess. Go to medium. That switch is really wonky. I gotta put another one in there. And low. Back too high. And off. So there you have it. Another Aerospeed BX100 box fan. Nothing to write home about, but hey, for free I can't complain much. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.